This is the last look at my bedroom. 25 hours to go. I am so tired. Oh my gosh. Everybody say hi. Save some more room. We found these at the last minute, so we're gonna try to freeze dry everything that I have. So we can fit everything. But this is crazy. Well, actually, this is good because this is like, this can definitely be like, that's cool. Yeah. So we're gonna freeze dry these things. Try to do it flat. Okay. Get off this. No, it's not gonna fit.
Here's what we do. We'll just open this up, right? We'll stick it in there and then suck it down and it'll be in that shape.
Oh, that's a great idea. Life hack number 5. Do it while it's in here.
Now we put the socks.
Wow, great life hack. Okay, now we put everything else in here and we'll have room for other stuff.
Now we'll suck this down. That's what we got bags.
Okay. There, look how much space we gained. Now we could put probably my mirror on there, I think. The last load out of 500. This is what our apartment looks like.
This is it. Now you guys know.
Now you know. Then we'll set it down. And then we get more. Last one.
This is the garage.
Oh, ask her about what's front and what's back.
Okay, so
Are you in front of me?
Leah and I park tandem, as you can see. And so, we have a debate that's going. Is this the front or is that the front? So then Leah will be like, did you park in front of me? And I'll say like, no. But then the answer for her is yes. And then it's like, which is front? Because like technically, yes, like I'm behind it, but then it's also like the front. So is it the front or the back?
This is parking in front for me.
But then this is the front because you're the front out.
It's like the first person who goes in is the front for me. For her, she thinks this is the front because it's the first one out, right?
Yeah, because what if we parked this way? They're in the front.
So it doesn't matter which way you park. Comment below. Honestly, I I need to hear this debate in the comments. So we're not able to open that door or else everything will fall out. This is the only door we can open. Also, I don't think I said this, but we dropped off my mom at the airport. My dad did while I was sleeping. I didn't even get to say goodbye, but I will be seeing her in 29 hours. Fun fact, actually really sad fact,
Yeah.
we're gonna be driving 29 hours throughout the night. We didn't book a place to stay. The place that we are booking is the White Chip. So we will be pulling over and taking a little snooze. So stay tuned for that. That'll be fun. What we got going on?
Just getting them. That's like Tetris.
This whole thing is Tetris. There it is. She's all strapped in. I'm just gonna go upstairs, say bye to Madeline, grab my bag, purse thing, and then we are off. Me and my dad are both wearing Disney shirts, not on purpose. I think I thrifted that for you.
You did, yes. That's why I'm wearing it.
Nice.
Stitch, not my favorite movie.
It's a good one though. Also, I'm gonna leave this stuff for Madeline because it won't fit. Should I just put this there? This is the last look at my bedroom. This is so weird. It's all cleaned out. And my closet. Let's see if there's anything up there. Okay, we're good. Just look behind the door. Cool. So Madeline's moving out in like 2 days. Madeline, do you want to tell everybody if we're friends still? Because people were wondering.
So the whole reason Leah's moving out of California is because we're not friends anymore.
I had to get away from her.
That's the entire reason.
Yeah.
So we are friends.
Set you straight.
There's no beef.
No beef.
Just
No
because,
beef, no tea.
Like, just 'cause
No tea, no
people-
shade.
Just because people don't live together anymore, it's not like you ended on bad blood.
But that,
I don't know what kind of YouTubers y'all are watching, but like,
Yeah, no drama here.
chill.
All right. Any last words, Mads?
To the vlogs?
I don't know. Just in general. Okay, so that's it. This is the end of the era. Moving home. That is all. 29 hours in the car. Here we go.
It's 170 miles from Chicago. No, it's 170 miles to Chicago. We have a full tank of gas, half a pack of cigarettes. It's dark out. We're wearing sunglasses.
Put your sunglasses on.
Hit it.
It's 106 miles to Chicago. We got a full tank of gas, half a pack of cigarettes. It's dark, and we're wearing sunglasses. Hit it.
All right. Those are the last words.
Yes, I could have done it like this.
There we go. All right. I don't really know what else to say, but this is my last time vlogging in LA until I come back sometime for visiting. Okay, so we've been on the road for about an hour and we're making our first pit stop. We had to fill up some gas because we were like had a half a tank. We didn't fill up, and we're gonna go get some Starbucks after because I started driving and I'm gonna continue to drive. So we're gonna need to fuel up a little bit because I am a little bit tired, not gonna lie, because I didn't sleep that well last night. I slept in with Madeline and then I had my parents sleep in my bed. So yeah, I wasn't like, super comfortable just because it wasn't my own bed, but very happy that Madeline let me sleep in her bed. So yeah, so far so good. Nothing crazy has happened except for I almost got run over by a truck. So other than that, things are going well. Oh crap. Well, except for right now because this just fell off my navigation system. We're gonna need this. So let's put this back on. All right, we're back in action here. You guys see that? 25 hours to go, 2,000 miles left. All right, we're fueling up. I got my pumpkin cold brew without vanilla and with oat milk. My dad just got a regular coffee.
Thanks.
What do you like to call it? Coffee flavored coffee?
Coffee flavored coffee.
And then I got a Beyond Burger, what is it called? Beyond Meat sandwich. And I got a sandwich. It's actually really good. You should try it. It tastes like real meat. And okay, we're gonna...
I got real meat.
Flavored meat.
Meat flavored meat.
Nice. Yummy.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer.
22 hours to go. Snowing. That is the update. Okay, bye.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy.
So we're a little bit over halfway there. We have quite the adventure. What am I saying? I'm so tired. Oh my gosh. Okay, so my dad is actually running into Walmart right now. I'm in the parking lot right now in the car. I was too tired to go in. But my dad is getting new windshield wipers because my windshield wipers are like 2 years old and they're not cutting it. Guys, this road trip has been quite the adventure so far. We started off going good. I was driving. I think I drove 5 hours, totally fine. Then we switched. Then my dad, while I was driving, there was like really big winds. And then we hit Utah, and then my dad started driving, and then we started hitting a bunch of snow, and like the snow was coming right at us, and it was like really hard to see the road. So we started off with that, and then, also when I was driving, this happened. I don't know if you guys can see, but there was like a bunch of pebbles that like hit my windshield and it cracked it right here. So that was when I was driving, and then my dad took over. Then there was like really strong snow winds. I guess it would be like we got stuck in a snow. I literally can't talk. We got stuck in a snowstorm, and that was crazy. I like woke up and then that was happening. So then I helped my dad like stay on, the street. Also, okay, so it's 11 a.m. right now. We actually left at 11 a.m. yesterday. We're still driving. We still have, I think it said we're gonna arrive at midnight. Also, we figured out that my heat does not work, and it literally got to 0 degrees in Denver when we were driving, and like the roads were really icy. So we've just had like quite the adventure so far. Also, it was kind of sad because like the best views like of Denver, we were like in complete like darkness because it was still like 5 a.m. So we didn't get to see like the best views, but we still got to see some really nice views. And now I don't even know if I think we still are in Colorado. And now we're just at a random Walmart, and my dad is gonna get some new windshield wipers, so hopefully that will help. And yeah, so I've also gotten Starbucks 3 times. Got a venti Americano twice in like the span of 2 hours, but I'm still so tired. Like, I don't know. It's just one of those things. But yeah, we also like pulled over once and slept in the car for like 2 hours. I don't even know if I slept like 10 minutes. I don't know how much I've slept, but yeah, so I think we have 12 hours left to go, and then we're home, so we're just gonna power through. But yeah, I don't know if any of that what I just said made sense. I was just like going all over the place. Basically, we've had quite the adventure so far. It's fine, it's good. Like I'm probably never gonna make this drive again, honestly, so it's
it is what it is. But I honestly did not realize it was going to be snowing. Like, I don't know if that was just I was living in California for too long that I just forgot about snow and like that it happens in October. Like, I just thought it was still fall. Like, I was confused when I started seeing snow. Like, excuse me? Here's my dad. Let's see. What a guy. Honestly, I could not make this drive without him. So he's gonna replace my windshields because, like, look at, this is what's going on. The windshield wiper fluid is frozen, so this is happening, and yeah. So, anyways, okay, that's all the updating I have for you guys. Did you guys just hear that? Oh, that was my dad. Okay, I thought somebody like hit my car. Okay. Wish me luck. Okay, bye. I'm gonna give you guys a little outfit of the day. We have 4 hours to go. I think it's like 10 p.m. I'm not really sure. Lost track of time. Actually feels really good. Princess Polly, I actually really like this. Got this sweatshirt from the thrift. Got these Nike sweats. Somebody's coming. Gotta go. Actually, it's fine, it's whatever. They've seen weirder things. I was doing an OOTD.
What's that?
You wanna say hi? It's an outfit of the day.
What's up? This is my outfit.
All right.
It's the same one I had on yesterday.
Me too. All right, I'm gonna drive now. What are we making here, Mom?
This is minestrone.
It's a contest-winning,
I know, it's gonna be
easy
good.
minestrone. Delicious. This is what I requested. Well, I requested soup
Yes.
because that just sounded really good. And then my mom made, what is this, pumpkin bar thing? Well, it's not a bar.
Yes.
It's like but it's not a pie.
Right. It's like a crumble. On the
Oh, a
bottom
crumble.
And the top with the pie, kind of pie filling-ish stuff in between.
Wow.
So it's kind of a cookie, kind of a crumble.
Delicious.
We shall see. And then we have a salad.
Oh yeah, I was cutting up the pears for the salad. These are the ripest pears ever. They're like the best thing ever. You gotta love a good pear, or you gotta love a good riped pear. Yummy. Look at the sky, it looks so pretty, wow. Also, they just cut down this tree a few weeks ago, so that's a little bit different. That has always been here, and it's gone now. But yeah, the sky looks really pretty. What are we making over here now?
Just some sugared pecans for the top of the salad.
Yummy.